Alljunk Containers is the premier, efficient, and reliable dumpster rental in Pasadena, Maryland. Whether you require a dumpster for a residential cleanout, a commercial renovation, or a construction project, we are your definitive solution. We offer an extensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale, ensuring prompt delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. Alljunk Containers strictly adheres to all local regulations and prioritizes recycling and eco-friendly practices to minimize our environmental impact. You actively contribute to a cleaner and greener Pasadena community by choosing our services. With a proven track record of reliability and customer satisfaction, Alljunk Containers is the preferred choice for dumpster rental in Pasadena, Maryland. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in every rental as we strive to exceed your expectations. We offer transparent pricing, flexible rental terms, and a seamless rental process, cementing our position as the go-to provider for all your waste management needs. Contact us today at 410-424-0962 or visit www.aljunkcontainers.com. Dumpster Rental Pasadena MD to learn more about how our dumpster rental services can support your next project. Alljunk Containers, your unwavering partner in efficient and responsible waste management.